Area of a rhombus. Area equals base times height. A rhombus is a pushed over square or a slanted square. The rhombus has equal length sides and equal pairs of opposite angles. A rhombus is a parallelogram with opposite pairs of sides parallel. The area of a parallelogram is found by multiplying the parentheses horizontal dimension and parentheses by the vertical dimension. We normally say base times height. It is important to remember the vertical dimension is the perpendicular height, which is also called the altitude. Altitude is also what is used to describe the height of an airplane, which is a line straight down from the airplane and intersecting the Earth at a 90-degree or perpendicular to the surface of the Earth. This is exactly what perpendicular height of a shape is also. The units for area are units to the power 2, which makes sense because the base has units and the height has units, and units times units equals units to the power 2. The area of a rhombus is base times perpendicular height. Related words: perpendicular, altitude.